All right, so if we look here what we've done so far, this video I just want to talk about some of the finishing touches, and this will be the last video, and then I'll post a picture of what the finished copy will look like. So where we left off last time was we were starting to add in events from World War II that we got from the timeline document that I sent out with this as well. So I've gone and I've marked them in the places where I want them to go to. So for example, if you pick any of them, some of these will be events that benefited Germany and its partners, and other are events that benefited Britain and Canada and their partners as well. So for example, we'll just choose any. These are some examples off the timeline. So this one, number 33, Germany and Italy invade Greece. So that's something that was good for Germany. German and Italian troops surrender in Africa because they were fighting in Africa. So that is something that would be good for the Allies because we were beating the Germans. Canadian troops liberate the Netherlands, which means we were in charge of kicking the Germans out of the Netherlands. The D-Day invasion, which is the big one that opened up the war inside Europe, so that we can start the road to victory. So here we have a total of 20 points that I've made here. Now the next thing that we need to do is start to draw on our ladders and our snakes where they make sense. So anywhere that there's an event that was good for Canada and its allies, including Britain and America and France, etc., there should be a ladder going somewhere. And anywhere that there is an event that benefits Germany and her partners, it should be a snake going somewhere downwards, okay? So I've already drawn some on here so that you can see as an example. And I'm going to color these in. After this video is done, I'm going to finish coloring it all in and take a picture of the final sample. But here we see, for example, I'll just show you some here. Britain wins the Battle of Britain, and this is when Germany was trying to use airplanes to bomb Britain, but Britain was able to stop them, so that was a good thing for Britain and its allies. So here's a ladder going up to a spot. Okay, so this gets you further in the game. Okay, if we see, so let's pick one for Germany. Germany builds walls and guns along France's coast. Okay, because they're trying to stop any invasion from Britain. So that made Germany stronger. So that means we need a snake going down here. Okay, so I've added all of these different snakes and ladders all the way through this, and you can just choose wherever you want to go. There's a lot of fun that you can have with this. You can have really long ladders, or you can have short ones. So the last step then before you're finished is to basically, once you get your snakes and your ladders on here, then start to add some colors and some pictures and some designs and whatever you want to do to make it yours and make it interesting. And I will send you also a picture. I'll post a picture of my finished copy too. And then what I want you to do is take a picture of it and send it to me. Email it to me, and I'll compile them and so that we can show them all around. It's a great way to understand the timelines that from when World War II started to when it finished. And it'll be a great sort of springboard for the conversations that we're going to have over the next few weeks. All right, good luck. Thanks.